Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a diagram that uses circles to represent sets. The relation between the sets is indicated by the arrangement of the circles. The Venn diagram is a way of representing sets visually and is named after its inventor, British mathematician John Venn, 1834 to 1923. Let's have an example. Use the Venn diagram to represent the following sets. Set U having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set A having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Set B having 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the figure, this is the set U having set A inside and set B. Okay, set U have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, set A are having 1, so put 1 inside, put the number inside. 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, while B are having 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, if you notice, A and D are having same numbers, which are, can you notice? Yes, that is 7. Put the number in between, and 9. So this is how you write or use the Venn diagram. Let's have another example. Use the Venn diagram to represent set and set operations. Set A having 1, 4, 7, 8, 9. Set B having 2, 3, 5, 9. Set C having 2, 4, 6, 9, 10. Set A is red circle. Set B is yellow circle. Set C is blue circle. Let us put set A inside the red circle, having 1, 4, 7, 8, 9. Set B having 2, 3, 5, and 9. Set C having 2, 4, 6, 9, and 10. So let's take a look at the figure. Is there any same number located in the set A and set B which is not located in set C? So there is no same number located at set A and set B which is not located in set C. How about in set A and set C? Yes, there are. So that is 4. And place 4 in the intersection of set A and set C. Okay, how about in set B and set C? So that is number 2. Place that in the intersection of set B and set C. Now, is there any same number located at the three circle or set A, set B, and set C? Yes, and that is number 9. And put that in the intersection between set A, set B, and set C. So A, intersection of C is 4 and 9. B, intersection of C is 2 and 9. And A, intersection in B, intersection in C is 9. Example number 3. 70 students of grade 7 ilang-ilang, whereas if they have pet animals at home, 50 of the students have rabbits and 35 have dogs. The question are: A. How many students have rabbits only? B. How many students own cats only? C. How many students have both pet animals? Let's have a solution. Let S1 be the set of students students with rabbits only. Ito yung mga estudyante na ang inaalagaan ay mga rabbit lang. Let S2 be the set of students with both pets. Ito yung mga estudyante na ang inaalagaan ay rabbit and dog. Okay, and let S3 be the set of students with dogs only. Ito naman, yung mga estudyante na ang inaalagaan ay mga aso lamang. Alright? So, find the elements in each region. So, dito sa ating equation, we have n quantity S1, which is the set of students with rabbits only, plus yung student na with both pets, which is S2 plus S3 is equal to 70. Ito yung number of students asked. Ito yung kabuuan ng mga estudyanteng tinanong natin. Alright? Then, we will subtract the two equations to find the number. So, ang gagamitin natin ngayong equation or isusubtract natin ay yung mga may alagang rabbit. So, in the figure S1, S2, S3, alin ba dyan yung mga estudyanteng may alagang rabbit? Yung nasa circle ng red. So, dito sa S1, ito yung mga purong rabbit lang ang inaalagaan. And sa S2, ay yung mga estudyanteng may rabbit at may dog. But still, nag-aalaga pa rin sila ng rabbit. So, sa problem natin, there are 50 students who are having rabbits at home. Alright? So, ima-minus natin siya sa ating equation. So, we have S1, okay, and S2. Alright? Etong S1 and S2, yan yung mga, uulitin ko, yan yung mga estudyante na inaalagaan nila ay rabbit. Okay? Si S1 ay purong rabbit ang inaalagaan. Si S2, nag-aalaga ng rabbit. At the same time, nag-aalaga rin sila ng aso. Pero ang sabi dito, mga estudyanteng nag-aalaga ng rabbit. So, there are 50 students. Okay, let's cancel S1 and S2. Then bring down S3. 70 minus 50 is 20. So, meaning to say, our set C, which is the set of students with dogs only, alright, dun sa figure, makikita nyo yung yellow part, yan yung mga estudyante na ang inaalagaan ay dog lamang. So, ibig sabihin, our S3 is 20. So, sa kabuuan ng 70, may 20 estudyante na nag-aalaga ng aso lamang. So, we are now looking for the number of students na nag-aalaga ng rabbit only, which is S1, and nag-aalaga ng rabbit and dog, which is S2. Okay, so we have S1 plus S2 plus S3 is equal to 70. Subtract the two equations to find the number. Ang isusubtract naman natin ngayon ay yung mga students na nag-aalaga ng dog. Alright? So, sa mga students na nag-aalaga ng dog, alin doon? Aling set doon? So, we have set 3 which is yung purong nag-aalaga ng dog and yung set 2 which is nag-aalaga ng dog at the same time nag-aalaga ng rabbit. Okay? Ang sabi dito, ang mga estudyanteng nag-aalaga ng dog ay 35 sila lahat-lahat. Alright? So, let us subtract it. Then, cancel S2 and S3. Bring down S1. Then, 70 minus 35 is 35. Meaning to say, our set 1 or S1, which is the set of students having rabbits only, is 35. Alright, so this time, nakuha na natin si S1 and S3. S1 is 35 and S3 is 20. So, let us substitute the value of S1 and S3. Okay, S1 is 35 and S3 is 20. Alright, so we will use the additive inverse. So, S2 and quantity S2 is equal to 70 minus, okay, the additive inverse of positive 35 is negative 35. And the additive inverse of positive 20 is negative 20. Okay, let us simplify. So, our n quantity S2 or the number of students having rabbits and dog is 15. Why? 70 minus 35 minus 20 is 15. So, these are the number of students. So, we have both kinds of pet animals. So this is our Venn diagram. We have here set 1, set 2, and set 3. Set 1 is the set of students having rabbits only. Set 3 is the set of students having dogs only. And set 2, set of students having both. So in S1, we have 35 students. Set 3, we have 20 students. And set 2, we have 15 students.